1. Which brick is best for important structures? A. Third class. B. Second class. C. First class. D. Overburnt. Uns. C. First class. 2 standard modular brick sizes. A. 20 times 10 times 10 cm. B. 19 times 9 times 9 cm. C. 23 times 11 times 7 cm. D. 22 times 10 times 8 cm. Uns. B. 19 times 9 times 9 cm. 3. Water absorption of good brick should not exceed A. 10%. B. 15%. C. 20%. D. 25%. Uns. C. 20%. 4. Efflorescence occurs due to A. Clay. B. Sand. C. Salts. D. Cement. Uns. C. Salts. 5. Frog in brick is provided for A. Decoration. B. Bonding with mortar. C. Weight reduction. D. Coloring. Uns. B. Bonding with mortar. 6. Good bricks give which sound when struck together? A. Dull. B. Cracking. C. Ringing. D. Silent. Uns. C. Ringing. 7. Which ingredient reduces shrinkage in bricks? A. Lime. B. Alumina. C. Sand. D. Iron oxide. Uns. C. Sand. 8. Minimum crushing strength of first-class brick is A. 3.5 MPa. B. 5 MPa. C. 7 MPa. D. 10.5 MPa. Uns. D. 10.5 MPa. 9. Overburn bricks are used for A. Masonry. B. RCC. C. Road ballast. D. Arches. Uns. C. Road ballast. 10. Hardness of brick is checked by A. Impact test. B. Scratch test. C. Water test. D. Shape test. Uns. B. Scratch test. 11. Tempering means A. Burning bricks. B. Drying bricks. C. Mixing clay with water. D. Cooling bricks. Uns. C. Mixing clay with water. 12. Third-class bricks are used in A. Permanent works. B. Temporary works. C. Dams. D. Bridges. Uns. B. Temporary works. 13. Continuous kiln is A. Clamp kiln. B. Scotch kiln. C. Bull's trench kiln. D. Intermittent kiln. Uns. C. Bull's trench kiln. 14. Excess lime causes A. Strength gain. B. Cracking. C. Hardness. D. Waterproofing. Uns. B. Cracking. 15. Color of good brick should be A. Yellow. B. White. C. Deep red. D. Black. Uns. C. Deep red. 16. Main raw material for bricks is A. Cement. B. Clay. C. Sand. D. Lime. Uns. B. Clay. 17. Which brick absorbs more water? A. First class. B. Overburnt. C. Underburnt. D. Machine-made. Uns. C. Underburnt. 18. Brick earth should contain alumina for A. Hardness. B. Plasticity. C. Color. D. Strength. Uns. B. Plasticity. 19. Iron oxide gives bricks A. Plasticity. B. White color. C. Red color. D. Strength. Ans. C. Red color. 20. The shape of good brick should be A. Irregular. B. Rounded. C. Uniform rectangular. D. Oval. Ans. C. Uniform rectangular. 21. Which test determines compressive strength? A. Crushing test. B. Impact test. C. Sound test. D. Hardness test. Ans. A. Crushing test. 22. Bricks are generally burnt in A. Furnace. B. Kiln. C. Boiler. D. Oven. Ans. B. Kiln. 23. Excess silica in brick earth makes bricks A. Weak. B. Brittle. C. Plastic. D. Porous. Ans. B. Brittle. 24. Nominal size of modular brick is A. 19 times 9 times 9 cm. B. 20 times 10 times 10 cm. C. 22 times 11 times 11 cm. D. 23 times 10 times 8 cm. Ans. B. 20 times 10 times 10 cm. 25. First-class bricks are usually A. Ground mold. B. Table mold. C. Sun-dried. D. Hand-broken. Ans. B. Table mold. 26. The process of shaping bricks is called A. Tempering. B. Molding. C. Burning. D. Drying. Ans. B. Molding. 27. Underburned bricks are A. Hard. B. Durable. C. Weak. D. Waterproof. Ans. C. Weak. 28. Efflorescence affects bricks by causing A. Hardness. B. White patches. C. Red color. D. Strength gain. Ans. B. White patches. 29. Which brick is not suitable for exposed masonry? A. First class. B. Second class. C. Third class. D. Engineering brick. Ans. C. Third class. 30. A good brick when dropped from 1 meter height should A. Break completely. B. Crack slightly. C. Not break. D. Powder easily. Ans. C. Not break. 31. Brick masonry joints are usually kept A. 5 millimeters. B. 10 millimeters. C. 20 millimeters. D. 25 millimeters. Uns. B. 10 millimeters. 32. Brick with rough surface is generally A. First class. B. Second class. C. Third class. D. Fire brick. Uns. B. Second class. 33. Which brick is used for furnaces? A. Sand lime brick. B. Fly ash brick. C. Fire brick. D. Hollow brick. Uns. C. Fire brick. 34. Fly ash bricks are made using A. Coal dust. B. Cement and fly ash. C. Gypsum only. D. Clay only. Uns. B. Cement and fly ash. 35. The main disadvantage of overburned bricks is A. Low strength. B. Irregular shape. C. High absorption. D. White patches. Uns. B. Irregular shape. 36. Brick masonry is stronger in A. Mud mortar. B. Cement mortar. C. Lime mortar. D. Clay mortar. Uns. B. Cement mortar. 37. Which brick has smooth surface and sharp edges? A. First class. B. Third class. C. Overburnt. D. Underburnt. Uns. A. First class. 38. Bricks should be soaked in water before use to A. Increase weight. B. Reduce mortar absorption. C. Change color. D. Reduce size. Uns. B. Reduce mortar absorption. 39. The percentage of alumina in brick earth is about A. 5-10%. B. 20-30%. C. 50-60%. D. 70-80%. Uns. B. 20-30%. 40. Excess iron oxide causes bricks to become A. Blue-black. B. Yellow. C. White. D. Soft. Uns. A. Blue-black. 41. Which brick is most porous? A. First class. B. Engineering brick. C. Underburnt brick. D. Fire brick. Uns. C. Underburnt brick. 42. Brick bats are pieces of A. Stone. B. Broken bricks. C. Cement blocks. D. Tiles. Uns. B. Broken bricks. 43. Which test checks brick shape and size? A. Visual test. B. Sound test. C. Crushing test. D. Water test. Uns. A. Visual test. 44. Second-class bricks are generally used for A. Important structures. B. Unplastered work. C. Plastered masonry. D. Furnaces. Uns. C. Plastered masonry. 45. The drying of bricks before burning is necessary to A. Reduce cracking. B. Increase weight. C. Reduce color. D. Increase salts. Uns. A. Reduce cracking. 46. Which brick is eco-friendly? A. Clay brick. B. Fly ash brick. C. Overburnt brick. D. Underburnt brick. Uns. B. Fly ash brick. 47. Silica in brick earth provides A. Plasticity. B. Strength and shape. C. Color. D. Bonding. Uns. B. Strength and shape. 48. The main function of kiln drying is A. Coloring. B. Burning bricks uniformly. C. Reducing size. D. Mixing clay. Uns. B. Burning bricks uniformly. 49. Which class brick is used for superior work? A. Third class. B. Fourth class. C. First class. D. Overburnt. Uns. C. First class. 50. The usual weight of a standard brick is approximately A. 1 kilogram. B. 2 kilograms. C. 3.5 kg. D. 6 kilograms. Uns. C. 3.5 kg.